up so high, even when I'm coming down. Just met a girl.
What it do, y'all? Happy New Year's! Because by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be New Year's, but actually it's December 30th today. So anyway, y'all, the next scenes that you're gonna be seeing is a collab of videos, me preparing for Christmas, me cooking for Christmas, me attending like a little quick Christmas get together, and whatever else I throw in there, or in my Christmas present. So I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. More to come 2024. And thank y'all for all the support and sticking with me. But hopefully, not hopefully, bigger and better, baby, this year, y'all. So let me holler at the Starbucks real quick and enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, this is where I get all my tins from. Yeah, the bakery has opened yet again. I swear to God, I'm a baker. Y'all be making up stuff, okay? Okay, Christmas haul, food haul that is, grocery haul. I'm gonna make some pretzel, chocolate covered pretzels, but I want to use this. It's gonna be Oreo cookies and cream. I've never done it before in my life, but I got this from Dollar Tree. We're gonna make my son requests, of course, cinnamon rolls. I'm going to make up some stuff. I'm going to do a pecan pie, and I'm going to try to make my first sweet potato pie. Yeah, I'm making up stuff. And I'm going to make the miniature kind. So I bought some, even though it say pumpkin spice, but it still had all the spices I want. Then I'm going to make some mac and cheese, y'all. What y'all talking about? So, haven't made it in a long time, guys. So, yeah. And some more butter, y'all.
That's the one Junior like.
I tell you what, my people doesn't know all that.
Oh, see that?
What did he say?
He said his pizza. No, my pizza is the best pizza.
My pizza place called Publix.
But where is he? Oh, yours don't count if it ain't here, though. It don't count.
Publix, F-U-C-C-Y.
Junior said he want to be on camera. You on camera now. What you gonna say, though? What you gonna say, though?
I'm not bored now. So hold on. Set up.
Look at that plate, though.
Yeah, but oh no, I gotta reload.
Yeah. All day. Is it strong though? Safe stick.
Yeah, I won't do that.
It is.
I won't do that. No, that's not.
Junior, don't play.
It don't matter. It really don't matter.
They got Bill right there.
It says too budget, Chris.
I'm gonna drink this.
Greg said it first.
God.
That's what I said.
What is pina colada? That's pina colada. I don't drink beer.
That's mango.
It tastes like pina colada.
My mango. I'll take the mango.
Okay.
They both don't taste like
the
no.
same, so I don't know. It is. They look the same, so.
So it don't got no labels on it, Lee.
But you be all right though.
I get it, but I'm telling you that. I'm telling you right now, you're serving pina colada.
She didn't find her cousin.
This is Christopher Johnson.
That's what he do.
A pairing.
He always on
A pairing?
Always on something.
Chris, this the fofo. When the H have we ever paired anything?
She rolled up on me like cheating.
Y'all, it is almost 11:30, Christmas Eve. And as you just saw or about to see, I have not started anything yet. None of my cooking. I said I was going to do 3 dishes. 4. I've already eliminated one, I do believe, because I'm a little bit under the weather. And my energy level is like this. And the idea of even thinking about food made me want to, I'm not going to even say it. So I'm going to do my best and deliver. So I'm going to do cinnamon rolls. I'm going to do mini pies, sweet potato and pecan, and mac and cheese. I was going to do a gingerbread cookie thing. I'm cutting it maybe for, Valentine's Day. I don't give a flip. You can have gingerbread any day, okay? So that's what my plans are. And I pray all turn out well, because why? I've never did a pie in my entire life, okay? I've never made a pie, so I decided Christmas is the time to venture out. As always, pray for me. And as always, whether it's going to turn out to be good or bad, y'all want to see the results. I keep it 100 on this page. Very transparent for the most part. So let's get started. It's Christmas. Oh my God, I almost died.
That was almost it.
Okay, this for my baby.
Will you come
No, I'm good.
I'm a baker, even though I've been sucking lately, guys.
I hope I ain't through that thing of water.
I'm gonna perfect my skills. Baby, what you talking about? Oh my God, help me.
I got you.
Oh my God.
Oh, wait, hold up. I got you.
It's too heavy. Oh my God, Kevin, I love you so much. Oh my God.
She tried to say, yeah, limit. You don't got limits no more.
Oh my
You don't got limits
God. Wait a minute, it come with what?
I don't know what it come with.
Me either. Oh, that's the wrong language. Oh, that is so heavy.
I know. I was gonna
Look,
wrap
they
it.
make up to 8 dozen cookies.
Oh.
I'm a cookie
I'll
nigga.
find it.
Oh, I love it so freaking much. What? Oh my god, and it's black.
Oh, I'm in the camera shot. I didn't even notice that.
Girl, y'all better get ready. Thank you, baby, so much.
Of course.
Oh my god.
Wait, stay there. Okay.
Mama, look at my standalone mixer, Mom.
Kevin said we saw.
Oh my god. I love it. Okay, y'all. I got some amazing Christmas presents, which requires me, can I talk, to do some Tetris, changing stuff around in my kitchen countertops. Y'all, so I wanted to do a before picture of everything. I legit not knowing how this is going to turn out. But I'm excited. Oh, yeah. Bigger and better, baby. Cleaned up. Oh, Lord. And this is the finished result so far, y'all. Oh, my God. I love it.